In this video, I'll show you how to publish your HTML website online for free so anyone can access it from anywhere using a public link. We'll go through two methods, InfinityFree and Netlify, so you can choose between a manual hosting approach and a faster modern method. Before we start, make sure you have your project ready. Your folder should include your HTML file along with any CSS and JavaScript files used in the project. Make sure your main file is named index.html, because hosting platforms automatically look for this file when loading your website. First, we'll use InfinityFree, which is a free hosting service where you upload your website files manually. Go to InfinityFree, create a free account, and set up a hosting domain. This will give you a live URL where your website will be accessible. Once your hosting is ready, open the File Manager from your control panel. This is where your website files will be stored. Navigate to the public HTML folder and upload all your project files into it. This is the main directory where your website needs to be placed. Go to Netlify and drag your entire project folder into the upload area. Netlify will automatically process your files and deploy your website. Within a few seconds, Netlify will generate a live link for your website. You can open it and see your project running instantly. Netlify also allows you to rename your site and update it easily by uploading new versions of your project. InfinityFree gives you more control over file management, but requires manual setup. Netlify is faster, easier, and better for most beginners who want quick results. At this point, your website is live and can be accessed from anywhere using the public link. That's it. You've successfully published your website for free using 2 different methods. Subscribe for more practical tech tutorials.